Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Bing search engine. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply master Bing search by finding a result from a specific location or country in your Bing search engine without any stress. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log in into your Microsoft account. And for you to do that, there are simplest way to do it, which I'm going to show you in this video. First thing for come down below right here on your Windows Start menu. Right, click on your Start menu and make sure you click on Settings. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to Search. Then make sure you scroll down right here and navigate to Bing Search History Settings. Click on that. It will redirect you to whereby you will need to log in with your Microsoft account username and password. Make sure you enter your Microsoft account and username. Once you enter it, it takes you to your dashboard in your Microsoft Bing account. This is where you need to set up a specific location by which you are looking for a search result when you search on Bing search engine. And for you to do that, what you need to do next is to come to the top right there, click on this three slider, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on Settings. Then it's take you right here. Then you have to make sure you navigate to Location, and it will redirect you back to Location section right here. Enter your city, state, or postal code. We use your location to show you more relevant search results. Here, this is where you need to enter the city, the state, and the zip code you are looking for. Once you enter it, then make sure you click on See Search Suggested as Type. Open link from search result in a new tab or window. Make sure this is checked. Open link from news result in a new tab or window. Make sure this is also checked. Then once you set up everything, come down below here and hit on Save. That's simple. Each time you are searching for something on Bing search, you get a result from the particular state, country, and zip code you enter right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Bing search engine, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.